Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. For classes mock test study material you can contact in the given number in the description. So let us solve one problem from JEST Physics. The problem states that a long straight wire carries a steady current I along Z axis. We need to find the magnetic vector potential A as a function of R vector in the cylindrical coordinates, right? So the problem will help you to clear the concept to use the Biot-Savart's law, symmetric arguments and relationship between the magnetic field and the current, right? So and also will help you to solve similar type of problems in your exam. So let us solve the problem in one of the easiest and simplest way. So it is given that the current steady current I along Z axis, right? So I is flowing along the Z axis. So we will use the Biot-Savart's law. We have from the theory that A as a function of R equal to mu by I into 4 pi. So it will be dl prime for a small length by R minus R prime full modulus, right? So for a long wire on the Z axis by symmetry, A points in the Z direction. We have A points in Z direction in cylindrical polar coordinates. The result we can write. So in cylindrical polar coordinates, in cylindrical coordinates, we can write rho phi Z result as A, which is a function of R vector, is equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi into ln R by rho into Z cap. So which can be also derived by B is equal to curl of A. So which will be around, which will also give mu 0 I by 2 pi rho into phi cap, right? So this is our result in cylindrical coordinates. Hope the solution is clear. So thank you.